Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, это видно, что я больше популярный в России и должен говорить на русском. Okay, well, I don't know if everyone has a Volkswagen everywhere. Anyway, so today we are taking the grill, the original. This is the MK6. There are no fog lights on this thing. I bought a new grill last time by the Volkswagen symbol. I cannot stress this enough. Don't even worry about it. Anyway, this is probably the easiest thing I've ever done. It just pops off. I mean, this is like, if you ever were in a model building, this is basically snap tight, man. Easy. So that's what it looks like so far. You just pull it off. I'm gonna get into the electrical and the lights itself here as soon as I get everything situated and lined up. I will be back.
I almost want to keep it this way. It's like it's smiling at me with like that one tooth, like it's a baby, just smiling. Hey!
Okay, now we've got the electrical done. This is how we test it. I've got this little thing in my hand. We look at it like so. Oh my gosh. It actually works. I got it right my first time. This is amazing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Got it done. So, here it is. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. It looks very GTI-ish. Now, for the stuff that sucked bad. Alright, so there's these cables that run along there. That's pretty easy to figure out. But then you get to this mess. There's nothing tied together, nothing at all. So you gotta zip tie and do all this stuff. I did it pretty lazily. As you can see, did it all in one evening. It took me about 30 minutes. Anyway, so I did it pretty lazily. I have it going through the door here. I have it going through my fuse box. I'm gonna break a nail. Screw it, I don't know if I want to show you anymore. It's not even fun trying to get this thing off. There it is. So I got it back there, and then I wired it up and around here, and then you can put it right in here. Turn it that way. And the lights are on. Cool, huh? Very cool.